Hello, I'm Dr. Caldwell with Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians, and today I'm going to answer some questions that you have about allergies in dogs. Together with my assistant Rebecca, we're going to get those taken care of for you.
Dr. Caldwell, how common are allergies in dogs?
Allergies in dogs are unfortunately pretty common. Of our clients, typically about 25 to 40% of our animals do have allergies of some form.
What are some common dog allergies?
Well, it really just depends. Dog allergies, it can be everything from food to environmental. And here in Arizona, we're fortunate enough to have nice weather year round. So that means something's usually blooming year round. And so we can have environmental allergies all year long. And then we have food allergies on top of that as well.
How do allergies impact the health and well-being of my dog?
Allergies will cause inflammation. If you have inflammation, of course, you have more potential for infection. You can have pain and things like that. So getting allergies under control can just lead to an overall better quality of life for these animals.
What are some signs and symptoms of allergies in dogs?
Allergy signs in dogs, they can vary dramatically. It can be a small amount of irritation on the feet and between the toes. It can be ear infections. It can be itchiness. You can even have rashes, infections, hives, things like that.
How can I diagnose my dog's allergies at home?
So you can see signs that are consistent with allergies at home, but as far as a true diagnosis at home, it's really going to be something that you want to speak with your veterinarian about.
How will a veterinarian diagnose allergies in my dog?
The veterinarian is going to work with you to talk about the clinical signs that you're seeing at home, as well as with what the vet is seeing in the actual exam room. So, is there redness on the skin, like we talked about? Do they have chronic ear infections or consistent ear infections this time of year? Did you recently switch foods and you see these signs? Things like that.
How are dog allergies treated using anti-inflammatory therapy?
So, anti inflammatory therapy is going to help treat the inflammation. Now, there are a couple different medications that we have for that, but the medications that we have, not only are they anti inflammatory, but they can actually block the itch sensation that dogs have. And so, that's how those medications are going to work on these critters.
How is shampoo therapy used for dogs' allergies?
Shampoo therapy is going to be good just to help get rid of that, what we call a contact allergen. So, any pollen in the air, if it's sitting on the fur, then by using these shampoos, it's going to help wash that off. These medicated shampoos can also have anti inflammatory properties as well.
What is hyposensitization or desensitization therapy for allergies?
So, hyposensitization therapy in animals, think of it like a peanut allergy in people. What they'll do is they'll give a small amount of peanut to a person over a long period of time, and eventually your body kind of gets used to it. We'll do that with dogs as well, except once we do an allergy test on them, we can find out exactly what they're allergic to and then expose them in very, very small amounts over a long period of time to where their body actually kind of starts to form an immunity against it, so they're not allergic to it anymore. If you have any other questions, give us a call at Phoenix Mobile Veterinarians.